this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Chocolate Liqueur Palette for everyday look. And the previous was more of a glam night out look. And I'm going to start with the eye fix. It really helps adhere the color to your eyes and for it to last all day. So I've already used my foundation, my skincare. So really it's just going to be eyes, lips, and cheeks on this video. Enjoy. After applying Drama Queen mascara, I'm going to use the Glorious Goddess cream blush. Cream blushes are all the rage right now in the cosmetic industry. So I'm going to use it first, and then I'm going to come back with our Mauve Over Trio and use a boysenberry color on my cheeks and my eyes. This is going to help the blush last all day long.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
I used a little nude orange lipstick, and then I also used a little fresh plum for the final look to mix them together, and then a little Mint Cupid lip gloss. It's really fun to mix different lipstick colors. And I went back and finished up the eyes. So be sure and send us some pictures with your Chocolate Liqueur eye palette and let us know how much you're enjoying it for your everyday look or your glam look. Thanks for being V Girls. Bye.